Good evening and welcome to this LinkedIn live session organized by Imperial Institute of Ceramic Science and Technology, Vadodara, Gujarat, India. So today we are going to discuss a very critical and strategic topic, that is transforming workforce capability in ceramic, glass and refractory sectors. My name is Dr. R.K. Singh, and over the last several years, we have closely observed that technology investment alone do not guarantee excellence, people capability does. This session is about how structure, skill development, technical mastery, and leadership training can directly influence productivity, cost control, and global competitiveness. So, first, we would like to brief about what IICST or Imperial Institute of Ceramic Science and Technology is doing. So this is India's only dedicated ceramic technology institute, exclusively designed for working professionals. We are not a conventional academic institution. We work directly with the plant heads, supervisors, HR teams, and entrepreneurs. Our focus is industry integrated training, practical, measurable, and performance oriented. We operate from our Vadodara, Gujarat, the heart of India's ceramic and glass manufacturing ecosystem. Let us understand the scale of our industry. The global ceramic market exceeds $250 billion. The glass industry exceeds $300 billion, and refractory exceeds $35 billion. So these are the high temperature, energy intensive industries where margins depend on process control. In such industry, workforce skill directly impacts profitability. India is among the top producers globally in tiles, sanitary ware. Gujarat alone contributes massively to the export. However, global buyers today demand consistent, traceable, and compliant products. If workforce capability does not evolve, the global competitiveness declines. Now let us debate about the current skill set, what we have in our industries. So what we found from our plant audits, we see the operators often know how, but do not know why. Supervisors lack structural root cause analysis skills. Problem solving is reactive. It is not preventive or proactive. So this results in hidden losses. So what is going to be its business impact? So let us quantify the impact. If rejection is 8% and the turnover is 200 crore, that is 16 crore is lost. Fuel efficiency is even 5% in kiln operation significantly affects the margins. Downtime reduces OEE, overall equipment efficiency, and the delivery reliability. So skill gaps in all these areas translate directly into financial loss. Now let us discuss about the technical mastery. So technical mastery means understanding about the raw material chemistry, the kiln temperature curves, the thermal gradients, defect causation mechanism, how it has happened. Without this, depth decision becomes guesswork. Scientific process control builds consistency. So we need to enhance the shop floor capability. And how we can do that? So the operator must understand why firing curves matter, how moisture variation affects defects, how pressing pressure impacts strength. When knowledge increases, ownership increases. That is the fact. Let us discuss about the supervisory leadership. So supervisors are the backbone of the plant discipline in any industry, be it glass, ceramic, refractory, or any other industry. They must read the production dashboards, control KPIs, lead teams, make data-driven decisions. So leadership without technical depth leads to confusion. It's very important. So let us also discuss about the quality systems. So ISO certification alone is not the quality. Quality is process documentation, statistical control, audit readiness, traceability. So training builds a compliance culture within the organization. This is a most talked term, WCM, world class manufacturing. So let us debate about world class manufacturing principles. So this world class manufacturing is not theory, but it includes zero defect mindset, lean systems, TPM, total productive maintenance, and Kaizen. So this requires trained people, not only the policies. So we should focus on the world-class manufacturing. Also, we should focus on operational excellence, how to achieve that. So operational excellence integrates productivity, safety, quality, energy efficiency. This requires cross-functional understanding. So how we can do that? So we can do through digital transformations. So now we should understand, grab the Industry 4, which is becoming now the standard. So IoT sensor monitor kilns, dashboard, show the live productions. But if team does not understand data interpretation, technology remains underutilized. So even if you are going for digital transformation, implementing Industry 4, but important is that it is understood and monitored by the right supervisory people. Now we talk a lot about AI, artificial intelligence, and which is talk of the day. So AI can detect defects using vision systems, predict maintenance, and optimize firing curves. But AI requires trained engineers to interpret the outputs. AI supports people, it does not replace them. So we should understand the data-driven decision making, how we should go forward. So data must be structured, should be reviewed daily. We should have weekly analysis. We should have trend evaluation. And without data literacy, numbers become decoration. This is simply decoration. The next thing is your energy optimization. So in glass, ceramic, and refractory industries, energy is the major contributor. So energy is 25 to 30% of the production cost in many plants. So training on clean insulation, burner tuning, heat recovery, it can reduce fuel up to 3 to 6%. This alone justifies your training investment, what you have invested you just start getting from your kiln in improvement in your kiln efficiency. So you should be building a future ready engineers. Engineers must be multidimensional. They should have technical knowledge, technical background, technical strength, analytical, digital, and leadership oriented. Together, your future plant will require the techno managers. What should be the young professional pathway? So, engineers with 0 to 5 year experience require a structural growth roadmap. Without guidance, growth becomes random. Structural programs reduce attrition. So, it's very important to groom your young engineers. We at Imperial Institute of Ceramic Science and Technology, we have got corporate membership. So, our corporate ecosystems, if you become a corporate member, so you will have opportunity to be part of the technical workshop, plant audits, expert consultations, knowledge forums. So together it builds a collaborative growth platform within your organization and networking with other similar like-minded professionals. We from IICST, we do corporate in-house training programs. So like we focus the plant-specific training addresses. So like what are your defect patterns, how to address them, what is your process instability, how to address them, how to reduce the fuel consumption from existing level to the improved level, and wherever there is a leadership gap, how to mitigate those gaps. So our customized training programs gives measurable return on investment. So it is going to be of a great benefits to your industry. We do have got public certification programs, like we have got weekend modules allow professionals to upgrade without career break. Certification adds credibility to their career, and industry aligned syllabus ensures the relevance of these certification programs. Let us understand the impact. So in structural interventions, we observe reduction in rejection. We have achieved 8% to 4%, fuel reduction by 5%, productivity improved by 12%. So training is not cost, it is an investment that we believe. So the graph clearly shows the performance improvement after structural capability enhancement. Skill development leads to measurable business results. So you should think of your workforce transformation framework through our approach of assessment, roadmap, implementation, monitoring, and continuous improvement. So our transformation provided to your team is systematic. So when you are going or choosing to go for the training modules, so what should be the role of your strategic leadership? Like your HR must align training budgets with production targets, plant head must track return on investment, and learning culture must be institutional, and that should be made a practice and culture within the organization. Now we talk of entrepreneur perspectives. So for the business owners, the workforce improves exports, reduce risk, and improves margin. So capability becomes competitive advantage if you make your workman or your team a skilled workforce. Let us discuss about the future outlook, Industry 2030. So future factories will be automated, will be AI enabled, it should be carbon efficient. So only skilled workforce can operate such systems and you will become Industry 2020. So why you should partner with IICSC, Imperial Institute of Ceramic Science and Technology? Because we combine technical depth, industry experience, structural methodology, and measurable outcomes. So we build capability, not just conduct training. That is our assurance and guarantee. So call to actions. If you are HR head or plant head or factory owner or entrepreneur or a young professionals, so invest in a structured capability development program. Let us build globally competitive Indian manufacturing, especially in glass, ceramic, and refractory industries. So, thank you for joining. Please visit our website iicst.org. Connect with us on LinkedIn. Let us collectively transform the ceramic, glass, and refractory ecosystems. Thank you. Thank you very much.